Dear Greaton students, peace and blessing of Allah be upon you all. Today we are going to revise for Cluster C, Units 5 and 6. In these units, we are going to discuss the argumentative essay. This is one of the art of persuasion. Arguable or not arguable. Using mobile phones at school should be legalized. Arguable. Smoking is harmful to people's health. Not arguable. UMHS is the best school in the district. Arguable. Emissions hurt the ozone. Not arguable. Complete rewriting. Chart. Topic. Should driving age be legalized? In this table you can write the pros and cons, or advantages and disadvantages, or arguments for and arguments against. The parts of the argumentative essay are three parts: the introduction, the main body, and the conclusion. In the introduction, you have to get the attention of the audience. Attention getter or hook. Provide background information to orient the reader to the issue. What does the reader need to know about this issue? Define terms. Create a thesis statement or assertion to guide the reader. Body paragraphs. This is the second part in the argumentative essay after the introduction. Provide a clear topic sentence for each paragraph. Use topic sentence, concrete detail, commentary, or statement, evidence, explanation, or claim data, warrant. Build to the strongest argument. Use a variety of appeals. Demonstrate logic and reasoning. Address the opposition. The last part of the argumentative essay is the conclusion, where you state your main premise, provide a brief summary of your argument, show how a group will benefit from following your assertion, explain what might happen if your idea is not accepted, end with a rhetorical question, ask for a call to action. Sample argument essay. With the annotated essay on the next slide and review the following: attention getter, organization, antithesis con, how author refutes the con, connective words, transitions, development of arguments, slippery slope metaphor, conclusion. I'll give you a time to look at these slides and then you can discuss the main points of the argumentative essay. Now let's move to the second part of our vision today. We are going to move ahead to the grammar section. In Unit 5, we will discuss the future forms. How to express the future. There are several ways to express the future. with the modal verb, with be going to, with the present simple, with the present continuous. Well, we use the modal verb plus the infinitive form or the main verb for predictions, especially those ones which are not based on a clear evidence, according to what we think. Quick decisions or on-spot decisions. Promises. Be going to. We use be going to plus the infinitive form of the main verb for plans and intentions in the future. Predictions based on a clear sign or clear evidence. So according to what we see, not what we think. The present simple. We use the present simple when we talk about timetables. Those are the fixed timings for trains, planes, opening and closing shops, beginning and ending of our work times. Programs, schedules. The present continuous. We use the present continuous when we have plans or future arrangements. So, in the predictions, quick decisions, promises, we use very good, well plus the infinitive. For the plans, intentions, predictions based on clear signs, we use outstanding, be going to plus the infinitive. For timetables, programs and schedules, we use present simple, correct, yes. And the plans and future arrangements, we use the present continuous, excellent. The second part of our revision today will be about the future. We are going to complete the future forms. We will discuss the future perfect, the future continuous, the future time clauses. The future perfect continuous. As in the example, this time at 70 next Saturday I'll be having a siesta. That's something in progress at some time in the future. It will have started before 17 and till continue after 17. Will be plus verb plus ing, this is the form of the future continuous. It's meaning that there is an action in progress and a point in the future. The future perfect. By the time John is 20, he will have planted, fertilized and harvested a crop of wheat. 2 years later, the FBI will have arrested him, put him on trial, and sent him to jail. So when he is 22, he will have been sent to jail. The future perfect is formed by adding will plus have plus the past participle or the third form of the verb. It means that a completed action before a point in the future. The emphasis here is on the result. By 9 tomorrow, I'll have passed my test. Now we will move to the last part of our revision today. It's about conditionals. The first conditional is formed by F plus the first sentence or clause 1 in the present simple and the second phrase will be with adding will plus the infinitive. The first conditional refers to the present and the future. It expresses a possible condition and its probable result in the future. The second conditional, it's formed by using F, and the first clause will be in the past simple and the second clause will be formed by using would or could or might plus the infinitive. The second conditional refers to the present and the future. It expresses an unreal situation and its probable result. The situation or condition is improbable, impossible, imaginary, or contrary to known facts. Now let's move to the third conditional. This one is formed by adding F at the beginning, then the first phrase will be in the past perfect and the second one will be formed by adding would have plus past participle or the third form of the verb. The third conditional refers to the past, and it's not based on facts. It expresses the situation which is contrary to reality in the past. This is a summary of the 4 types of conditionals, and here we come to the end. Thank you for listening and goodbye.